Imagine being at the edge of a vast, dark precipice, staring into an seemingly bottomless pit. The pressure is crushing, the darkness is absolute, and the cold is biting. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a real place on our planet, the Mariana Trench, the deepest point in the ocean. Located in the Pacific, to the east of the Mariana Islands, it stretches down an astonishing 36,000 feet, a depth that defies human exploration. Yet, it is here, in this alien-like environment, that we find some of the most fascinating and bizarre creatures on Earth. But what makes this place so unique, and what secrets does it hold? To answer this, we must first delve into the history of its discovery and the technology that has allowed us to explore it. The story begins in 1875, when the British ship HMS Challenger embarked on a journey to chart the ocean's depths. Using a weighted rope, they measured the depth of the trench and discovered its enormity. However, it wasn't until 1960 that the first manned dive took place, when Swiss engineer Jacques Picard and U.S. Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh reached the bottom of the trench in the Bathyscaphe Trieste. Since then, only a handful of people have followed in their footsteps, including film director James Cameron in 2012. So, what draws us to this extreme environment? The answer lies in its unique conditions. The pressure at the bottom of the trench is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and the temperature is just a few degrees above freezing. It's a place where the laws of physics are pushed to the limit, and life exists in a form that is both familiar and yet utterly alien. One of the most iconic creatures of the deep is the anglerfish, which uses a fleshy growth on its head as a lure to attract prey. Then there's the giant tube worm, which can grow up to 8 feet long and survives by clustering around hydrothermal vents, where hot water and minerals spew out of the Earth's crust. But these creatures are not just fascinating in their own right, they also hold the key to understanding the unique chemistry of the trench. The deep sea is a vast, unexplored frontier, and the Mariana Trench is its most extreme edge. As we continue to explore and study this environment, we are constantly surprised by the diversity of life that exists here. From the tiny microorganisms that thrive in the trench's unique chemistry, to the massive fish that roam the darkness, each discovery raises more questions about the origins of life on Earth and the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. So, what lies at the bottom of the Mariana Trench? Is it a desolate, barren landscape, or a thriving ecosystem that is teeming with life? The answer, much like the trench itself, remains shrouded in mystery. But one thing is certain, the exploration of the Mariana Trench is a reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty and complexity of our planet, and the many secrets that still lie hidden beneath the waves. As we continue to explore and learn more about this incredible environment, we are reminded of the importance of preserving our planet's natural wonders for future generations. The Mariana Trench is a place of extremes, where the rules of our everyday world do not apply. It's a place where the pressure is crushing, the darkness is absolute, and the cold is biting. Yet, it's also a place of breathtaking beauty, where the boundaries of life are pushed to the limit, and the imagination knows no bounds. In the end, the mystery of the Mariana Trench remains, a reminder of the incredible diversity and complexity of our planet, and the many secrets that still lie hidden beneath the waves. As we conclude our journey to the deepest point on Earth, we are left with more questions than answers. What other secrets lie hidden in the depths of the ocean? What other creatures await discovery? And what can we learn from this alien-like environment about the origins of life on Earth and the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe? The exploration of the Mariana Trench is a journey that takes us to the edge of human knowledge and beyond, into a world that is both familiar and yet utterly alien. It's a journey that reminds us of the incredible beauty and complexity of our planet, and the many secrets that still lie hidden beneath the waves.